Hey, it's Carrie from Wrap Your Head Around Silks. Today we are on beginning Lyra 5 poses from back balance. I'm really excited to talk about this one because it's super accessible for beginner aerialists. From back balance, left hand at 10 o'clock. Then we're going to take the left knee into our chest and fold to the other side of the hoop. You see that my weight is on the Lyra on my right hip. Here's our peak pose in our plank position. And then top leg goes all the way back to your back balance, any back balance poses you choose. Plank pose, using my fan kick to get my nice stable straddle back. The purpose of this one is to bring a free leg into the other side of the hoop, legs together, fold that knee down, ankles, knees together, and our body is going to be here for our peak pose in a big plank position. We're going to move that same leg to come back, roll into our straddle back, or any back balance pose you choose. Number 2, bird's nest 1. So right hand above the right knee around 3 o'clock. And the purpose of this is we're going to bring the legs together and point down. Left leg goes up a little bit, keep it straight and pushed into the hoop. Legs come together, point the knee downwards, and start sliding your hips down, down, down as much as you can. Keep that base leg up and straight into the hoop. And to return up and back into your straddle back pose. Let's see it in real time. Coming into my fan kick straddle position. I'm going to reach high with my right hand. Left hand's going to go into my corner pocket, left leg a little higher. You're going to bring that right leg down, 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 pointing to the floor. Open the heart to the ground, and then pull up a little bit to come back to your straddle back position. Number 3, gazelle split, coming from your straddle back. Notice that the legs are on the same side of the hoop. I'm really tucking my left knee, my front knee, into the corner pocket of that hoop so that it is stable for me to straighten it out and then grab my back bent knee ankle. And here we are bending, and I really tuck that front leg into the corner, grab both legs, and pull downwards, opening my heart to the floor. Returning back to straddle back. Number 4, bird's nest 2. So from here, because I'm in a hoop that fits me, I'm going to bring my left leg a little bit out. Then the free leg comes into my chest, and then I'm going to drop my hips down and keep my top leg anchored into the hoop. I like to flex here. It gives me a little more stability. Open the heart, and my exit is a double ankle hang in real time from straddle back. So bringing that left leg a little bit to the corner, and as I slide my hips down, that top leg is going to anchor my bird's nest, and my exit is a double ankle hang. Number 5, wine glass. I'm going to kick my right leg to the front of the hoop between 2 and 3 o'clock. And I'm going to drop my free leg down so that my chest can come up, and then lean back into back balance pose. Flipping the leg to the other side, dropping the left leg, and then back balance. All right, my friends, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe and like, and also you can follow me at Instagram at CarrieWee1. All right, guys, bye.